go to RogerHollowayHomes.com.
Hey, it's Roger. I know, I'm usually on that side, right by the steering wheel, but I'm out here at Anniston Grove with the On Your Lot sales specialist from Classica Homes. Jessica, how's your day going?
Great. How's your day going?
Real good. Yeah, I noticed there's some lots here, and you mentioned there's a builder that's picked up some of them, but I would suspect there are some holdouts, people that own, like here's a lot that's not been built on, and if they wanted to build a Classica Homes beauty, you're the On Your Lot person, right?
Yes, I would love to talk with them.
So what are some examples of homes? I know you've got one lot that you've got a Balboa priced out on. What are some other plans, maybe with the primary suite up for people with infant children? Oh, look at that 3-car side load. Can you do that?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. And or maybe somebody wants a primary suite down, they're not quite ready for a ranch. Give us an idea about the process. Could you go just a little bit slower, please?
Sure.
I'm used to driving myself around. And I'm not trying to tell you what to do, but I want to just kind of take in the beauty of some of these homes.
Yeah,
so
this
what's
is
the
a great
process
community.
with you On Your Lot?
Yeah, so we have 15 floor plans that you can start with. You can make it work for your lifestyle. We've got a ton of different options and selections you can choose from to really make that work. We have 10 gorgeous models throughout Charlotte that I can walk with you, talk you through, how the plan comes, what's been shown there. Lots of options. And then we can also walk the land that you're considering building on or that you already own to talk through what do we need to do to get it prepped and ready to build on.
Yeah, so you've got a lot of experience at this. What are some obstacles that you've had to overcome over the years?
Well, sometimes there's a lot of topography on the land, which means there's a lot of ups and downs and hills and things, which doesn't mean it's not buildable at all. It just means sometimes it takes a little bit more grading. Sometimes it takes retaining walls. You want to think about the utilities that are on the land. Is it going to be septic and well, or is it county water and sewer, things like that.
Yeah. And so, and there's so many lots that are here. I'll bet you some lot owners are watching this video right now. Now, we're coming up on a lot that you have control over.
Yes.
And you're offering a Balboa plan on, right?
Yes. So this is a gorgeous lot that Classica owns that we would love to walk with Roger's agents and you if you're interested in purchasing it. We're advertising the Balboa, but there's actually 7 different plans that you could build on this home site. It's a beautiful wooded spot, almost half an acre, plenty of space for a pool.
Great. So the price on the Balboa, as you have it spec'd out, is?
Right around $1 million.
Right around $1 million. Okay, and the other 7 plans. Now, I heard you say that you have 15 plans. How did you eliminate half of those for this?
Well, this neighborhood wants a European style of architecture. So we specified ones that could really give a feel that would fit in well with this community. And
so here's another one. This one's for sale right now. But why would anybody want to buy a used home when they can buy a brand new Classica home, right?
Exactly. Right next door, they can have the luxury of Classica.
Okay, and let's keep driving the neighborhood. I'm going to take it right down here. So obviously you got parents and kids playing out here.
Yeah.
And you got a lot of ranch and 2-story, people waving. They looked happy, didn't they?
Yeah. This is a...
Well, it's a great neighborhood. And so the school's in Anniston Grove.
Yes. So these are zoned for Wesley Chapel Elementary, which is excellent, Weddington Middle and High. So all excellent schools.
Unbelievable. Shout out to Mayor Craig Horn, the Weddington Mayor. The Weddington Mayor. We're really kind of in Wesley Chapel, my GPS told me, or would you call this Weddington?
I think it's proper Wesley Chapel.
Now the big gorilla in the
Weddington
room,
area.
You do have some power towers running through there. So some of the lots have a free view of the power tower. I remember there was one for sale up here on the left a year ago. Now that one is a lot. Man, I bet you some of these lot owners are going to reach out to us and say, hey, I want to meet. And it's free, guys, for you to call us and have us meet with you. Oh, that's cool. That's an interesting design. And free to sit down with Jessica and talk about plans, talk about pricing, and then to be able to go through their design center. Man, what a treat that would be. But she's got other lots, some over there right by Falls at Weddington. Tell us about your new McKee neighborhood of 10 homes.
Yes, so that's an excellent location inside Charlotte. That's on the corner of McKee and Kuykendall. Just 10 home sites, so just 10 opportunities to get in. Pricing starts right around 1.2.
Now guys, notice this. See, the new home salespeople, I hope she can't hear me. They say opportunities. They have to say home site. They can't say lot. Me, I can say lot, I can say sale, I can say house, but she calls them, let me hear you say opportunity.
Opportunity.
Well, again, when they're sold out, right? So Again, the price point up there on, you say it's on McKee, right? Mm-hmm. What's the price point again there?
Going to start around 1.2.
Excellent. And just as we close down here, tell us what you love about Classica Homes.
Oh gosh, there's so much that I love about Classica Homes. These are really luxurious floor plans. We have architects out of California, Bassini and Langoni, who custom designs these plans just for us to build here in Charlotte for you.
Nice. Well, guys, give me a call. You know the way it works. She works for the seller. We want to work for you. I've got a great team of buyer agents. I'm out shooting videos every day, publishing, so hit subscribe, like, share, you know, all the stuff the kids do. Now, by the way, here's one that's for sale. And my team can show you this, and we can show you that one next to their lot. And oh!
Sorry.
See when I started, did you see what she just did? When I started talking about that house, she started rolling the window up. See, that's why you need a good buyer agent. So guys, give me a call, 704-345-3400. This is a hidden gem, Anniston Grove, that you maybe have never even been in. It's definitely worth taking a look and taking a good look at Classica. 704-345-3400. Thank you so much, Jessica.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Go to RogerHollowayHomes.com.